ass motherfucker. No, for real, this song is called, what the fuck is this song called? Santa Stole My Girlfriend. So, the chorus of the song is pretty simple. It goes, Santa, you bitch, didn't get a damn thing from a Christmas list. All I got was this broken heart, and that's it. Santa, you bitch, well, there's only one thing that I truly wish. I wish my old girl would have never... Okay, so you guys kind of know it, alright, cool. All you really have to say is Santa, you bitch, because then you just look around and you go, that's cool, because everybody's badass, you know what I mean? Alright, word. So here we go. We're gonna try it, and I'm gonna squeak like a fucking schoolboy. Because you're a bitch. Please don't laugh, because I'm actually the bitch. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. So here we go. Feel free to clap. Let me see those hands. Let's get them together right there. Let me see them. Let me see those hands again.